Hello children, good morning. I hope you all perfect with the first lesson, that is the food we eat. Okay. I have recalled many times in the last classes, but and also I have discussed with the exercise. Okay. Don't worry about the exercise and question answers children. Whatever you have written, stop it there only. I am going to give the question answers as a PDF in the next class, or for your phone numbers I am going to send you the exercise. Okay. Now we will start with the second chapter, that is, are you a vegetarian? Vegetarian means those who will eat only a vegetables. Okay. Those people we call as a vegetarian. Okay. Those who will eat a meat and everything, those people we call as a non-vegetarian. Okay. Those who kill the animals and they will take it as a food, those people we call as a non-vegetarian. Okay. Vegetarian means those who are taking the food as a plants. Okay. Then ಕಾಳು ಕಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Today we will start with a lesson, that is, are you a vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian? V E G E T E G E T A R R A N. Okay. Are you a vegetarian? It's a lesson. Okay. Now I am going to read a first page children. After that I am going to explain one by one. Okay. After one para. Okay. Look at your textbook. Take out your textbook. Keep a finger on the line. Which line I am going to read now. Okay. A vegetarian is a person those who does not eat meat or fish. People are vegetarians for a number of reasons. Some feel it wrong to kill animals for the food. Others believe that vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. Some people choose to be a vegetarians for ecological reasons. They argue that the growing of vegetables take up much less land than the raising of livestock. Moreover, it is easier to provide food for all the people on the earth by growing vegetables than by raising the vegetable eating animals. Okay. Modern medical advice also favors vegetarian food. Medical men advise people to cut down on fat, salt and sugar. They recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good fresh vegetables, which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good order. Moreover, vegetables are a lot of cheaper than meat. Almost everyone can afford to buy them, but not everyone can afford to buy a meat. See here, what happened children? Everybody, so many population is there in the country. Okay. Everybody is not taking the same type of food. Why? Because it's dependent on their taste. Somebody will used to eat only vegetables, only a vegetables. Okay. Some people will used to eat only meat. Why? Because it's a depend on the interest. Okay. But nowadays what will happen? So many doctors are going to advise should eat a vegetables. Why? Because that is heavy to health also. Then that will give us strength. Okay. That will not affect any of our body. Okay. If you are vegetarian. If you are a non-vegetarian, what will happen? That we are going to kill the animals. It's a first sin. Okay. ಏನದು animals ಅನ್ನ kill ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾಪ. Okay. So we are going to avoid that non-vegetarian. Okay. After that what happened? ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಯಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ನೌ. A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or a fish. Vegetarian means those who will not any eat or a fish, that people we call as a vegetarian people. Okay. People are vegetarian for a number of reasons. Some people are very pure vegetarian. Why? Why? Because some feel it wrong to kill. ಅವರು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟನ animals ಅನ್ನ ಕಡಿಯೋದು is very wrong. So we should not be a non-vegetarian. So they will feel like that. Others believe that vegetarian diet is healthier than the non-vegetarian. Vegetarian ಕಿನ್ನು non-vegetarian ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ vegetarian ಆಗಿರೋದು ವೆರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Some people religious people, Muslims feel to eat what? That animals. Okay. Some people Hindus they don't want to eat. Why? Because some people were Buddhist, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. Okay. Some people choose to be vegetarian for ecological. Ecological means it's the environment related to the plants. Okay. They argue that the growing of vegetables take up much less and than the raising of the livestock. Okay. It will take up less land. Moreover, it is easier to provide the food for all the people on the earth by growing a vegetable than by raising the vegetable eating animals. Here, ನಾವು ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, modern medical advice also giving that you should have a vegetarian food. Okay, then medical men advise people to cut down on means what is the meaning of? To reduce amount of number of, they have reduced the number of the people that should be a non-vegetarian ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Okay, they recommended fresh vegetable which are rich in fiber and keep digestion. They used to say the people that you should have to eat a fiber food that will help for the digestion of a food. Okay, then almost everyone can afford to buy them, but not everyone can afford to buy a meat. Here they help to and they convey the people you should buy a vegetarian, you should stop to buy a non-vegetarian food. That modern medical people also what advice that only. Okay, next we will see next page. See here children, your lesson is this much itself. Okay, it's all about the vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Already you are elders, so you may easily get what is vegetarian, what is the use of that vegetarian people, then how that vegetarian people get the food. Okay, then what is the use of non-vegetarian, how that people will get a food, you may get when you go for reading this lesson. Okay, look at page number 12. In rich countries there has been a tremendous increase in the demand for meat. It has resulted in a number of problems. It has become the biggest cause of deforestation, as more and more land is being cleared for raising livestock. Here in countries there has been a tremendous demand for meat. In India it's not much, but when you go for other countries they were preferring for the meat itself. They are cutting the trees. That is nothing but the deforestation. If we cut the trees, what will happen? We will not get a proper amount of air. Then so many problems may occur. Okay. After that, what happens? See, to produce 1 kilogram animal meat, we need 7 kg of grains here. ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೇಕು? ಕಾಳು ಕಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೀಟ್ 1 kg ಮೀಟಿಗೆ ಆ ದನಕರುಗಳನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 7 kg ಕಾಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಯಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಬರೀ 1 kg ಮೀಟಿಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಂದು ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? To produce 1 kilogram of animal meat, we need 7 kilogram of grain, which needs 7,000 liter of water to grow. 7,000 ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ 1 kg ಮೀಟಿಗಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ. Then as more and more water is being used for raising the pigs and chicken for a food. Here chicken ಮತ್ತು pig ಅನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For million of our well are going dry. Mass means full whole people. Production of meat has also become a huge source of pollution. Farm animals in the United States produce 130 times more waste than people do. They are not using any that field works. They used to grow that animals, then finally they used to eat that grain animal itself. Why? They are purely non-vegetarian people. Okay. Then one farm in Utah is an American state country, produces more sewage, drainage than the whole city of Los Angeles. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish in our rivers and oceans. In some areas, it has polluted our drinks water sources. Here, livestock means ಜಾನುವಾರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದನಕರುಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿವರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ. Then after that, eating a lot of meat can lead to a number of health problems. Here, meat ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ we may suffer from many diseases. Okay, that fat may come, then it's highly impossible to control itself. One sari fat bantu ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. We may control, but suddenly we may not avoid the eating of meat. Okay, eating a lot of meat can lead to a number of health problems such as increased obesity, heart diseases and various forms of cancer. The various chemicals fed to livestock these days are also a matter of serious concern. The long-term effect of eating meat from these animals can be terrible. Here, if we eat a meat continuously, what will happen? The heart problem may cause, so much of cancer problem may cause. Okay, then what will happen? Then we are also killing one animal for our selfishness. Okay, ಅದು ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಬಾಡಿನ ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ವಿನಃ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ವಿ ಮೇ ಫೀಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಟನ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ದೇಹನೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೋಗದಿಂದ ಕೂಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ. Some people argue that vegetarian food can be short of protein. Some people ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ wrong. Plenty of protein can be obtained from such articles as peas, beans, nuts, seeds, pulses, cereals, soya and milk productions. Here ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೀನ್ಸ್, ಕಾಳು, ಕಡಿ, ನವ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ children. Vegetarians have invented for themselves high protein vegetable foods such as peanut butter. Peanut means kadlekai. Okay, butter, cornflake and ಮುಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಸುರೇನ ಜೋಳದ ಅರಳದು. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾಳ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗಂತೆ ದಿನ ತಿನ್ಕೋತ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್. So we may get a strong health. Okay, the next, in fact vegetarian products are rich in all the kinds of nutrients. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins, minerals and fiber that help to keep our digestion working properly. Vegetarians can be obtained iron from dried fruits, pulses, oats, nuts and ground rice. They can be obtained calcium dried fruits, pulses, oats, nuts and ground rice. They can obtain calcium from cheese, nuts, sesame. Seeds, green leaf, vegetables and soya. Potatoes contain starch which the body can burn up to make a energy. Do you know the elephant is the biggest and strongest of land animals and is a vegetarian? It kills no animals for its food. See here children what happened in this para. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಟ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯರ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಳು ಜೋಳದ ಕಾಳು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹುಳೆಕಾಳು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಕಾಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಗೋಡಂಬಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರದ್ದು ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಹೈ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ finally in this discussion what is correct answer there, that is we should be a pure vegetarian. We should not try to kill the animals, we should not hurt them. We have to grow trees and we should get a food from it, we should have it, then only we will become a healthier with the proper proteins. Okay, this is the story or the summary of this lesson. What is that lesson children? Are you a vegetarian? Okay, this much is there in this textbook. ಏನದ? Let us summarize now. ಏನೇನದ? Let's 2 minutes think ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. There is no difficulty, ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಏನು 3-4 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫುಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, think yourself. 2 minutes time I am going to give you. ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಅ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ instead of killing the animals we should try to have a food of vegetables like plants and everything. Okay, after the what they said, finally the decision became we should be a vegetarian, then only we will grow up very nicely. Okay, then children, below each lesson or each phrase they have given here difficult words. Let us read now. First one, that is ecological. Second one, rising. Third one, livestock. Livestock andre ಜಾನುವಾರುಗಳು. cut down on means to reduce the amount of number of. Okay, after that ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗುಂಪು, ಕ್ರೌಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ a state in the USA, it's a state name that is present in the USA. Okay, then Los Angeles, California, the second largest city in the USA. Los Angeles, it's the second largest city in the USA. USA means United States of America. After the obesity or obesity, the state being very fat. Obesity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೆಳಿತೈತೆ. ಓಕೆ, cereal means a type of a food grain that can be eaten or used to make a flour. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಪಲ್ಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಿರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ನಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕಿಚಡಿ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಳು ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಸೀಟಿ ಹೊಡಿಸಿ ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೂಟ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಇಟನ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಿಂತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರ್ಯಾಡಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೀಸಮ್, ಎಳ್ಳು ಕಾಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. It's about this lesson children. This read and find I am going to discuss in the next class. Okay, then question answers I am going to make the PDF and I will send for your phone number. Don't worry about that question answers. Okay, now I am going to read this complete lesson. Okay, keep finger on that line. This full lesson na ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, if you get any pronunciation difficulties just you have to underline with a pencil ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ 2 times, it will become Very perfect. Okay, now I am going to start reading the lesson. Lesson number 1.2, that is the Are you a vegetarian? First line. A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or fish. People are vegetarians for a number of reasons. Some feel it wrong to kill animals for food. Others believe that vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. Some people choose to be vegetarians for ecological reasons. They argue that the growing of vegetables takes up much less land than the raising of livestock. Moreover, it is easier to provide food for all the people on the earth by growing vegetables than by raising vegetables eating animals. Modern medical advice also favors vegetarian food. Medical men advise people to cut down on fat. Salt and sugar, they recommended advise people to cut down on fat. Salt and sugar. They recommended fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good order. Moreover, vegetables are a lot of cheaper than a meat. Almost everyone can afford to buy them, but not everyone can afford to buy a meat. Okay. Turn to the next page, children. In rich countries, there has been a tremendous increase in the demand for a meat. It has resulted in a number of problems. It has become the biggest cause of deforestation. As more and more land is being cleared for raising livestock. Okay. To produce 1 kilogram of animal meat, we need 7 kilogram of grain, which needs 7,000 liters of water to grow. As more and more water is being used for raising pigs and chicken for food, millions of our wells are going dry. Mass production of meat has also become a huge source of pollution. Farm animals in the United States produce 130 times more waste than a people do. One farm in Utah produces more sewage than the whole city of Los Angeles. Okay. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish in our rivers and oceans. In some areas, it has polluted our drinking water also. Okay. Then next para in the page number 12. Eating a lot of meat can lead to a number of health problems such as increased obesity, heart diseases, and various forms of cancer. The various chemicals fed to livestock these days are also matter of a serious cancer. Okay. The long-term effect of eating meat from these animals can be very terrible, very dangerous. Okay. Some people argue that vegetarian food can be short of protein. But this is not true. Plenty of protein can be obtained from such articles as peas, beans, nuts, seeds, pulses, cereals, soya and milk products. We are all getting much proteins from these all the peas, beans, nuts, seeds and pulses and cereals. Okay. Then vegetarians have invented for themselves high protein vegetables floods such as peanut butter, canned flakes and muesli. In fact, vegetarian products are rich in all kinds of nutrients. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins, minerals and fibers that help to keep our digestion working properly. Okay. Vegetarians can obtain iron from dried fruit pulses, oats, nuts and brown rice. They can be obtained calcium from cheese, nut sesame seeds, green leafy vegetables and soya potatoes contain starches which the body can burn up to make a energy. Okay. Do you know the elephant is the biggest and strongest land animal? Why? Because it kills no animal for its food. Here, the elephant is the very biggest and the strongest elephant in the world. Why? It's always used to be a pure vegetarian. It should not try to kill the animals for its food. Okay, children. What we learn from this lesson? We are not getting much of proteins and much of nutrients from the non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian nothing but meat, fishes and other animals. We should not getting a proper amount of proteins. We are getting a proper amount of proteins and everything from the pure vegetables itself. Why? Because if we eat a meat continuously, what will happen? Our health may be very poor. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ health ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಬಹಳ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So we may face so much of diseases like a cancer and everything. Okay, this much they have given in this lesson, children, and also I made you to read this one in the class itself. Then remaining in the sense that start from exercise, read and find. But in this class what you have to do, just write a dictation words. Dictation words means whatever they have given in the end of page, like in a red mark, what it is ecological, just you have to write the ecological. Put the first main, that is meanings. Okay, meanings first one is ecological. Okay, it's enough. It's nothing but a dictation word. If I have given this meaning, that is called as a meaning of words. Okay, just you have to write a ecological. Why I am going to make you write this one, children? You have to pronounce it. Pronunciation ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. So ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, how many meanings are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Only 13 words are there. You have to write the words which they have written with the red mark. Okay, dictation words anta haki. Sorry, you should not write the meanings like this. Just you have to write dictation. Dictation words. Okay, write like this, dictation words anta bardu. You 12 or 13 words whichever they have given in your textbook, you should write one by one. Okay, then you have to read the lesson, children. Okay, try to learn the meanings also. Okay, this much I told you in this class. Remaining I am going to continue in the next class. Before that I am going to give the homework now. Okay, what homework I am going to give you? Today I have learned and I have finished the lesson. Okay, read the lesson and write dictation words. Okay, read the lesson and write the dictation words. Dictation words from textbook. Okay, from textbook. In HW. EHW. Okay, you have to write the dictation words in a HW. I hope you all understood the lesson, children. Remaining I will continue the next class. What I am going to continue in the next class? Read and find, that is choose the correct answer option to complete each sentence. Can you write this one in the textbook itself? Okay, in textbook again I am going to give this and write first main given in textbook. only 5 are there. Try to do this in a textbook. Okay, remaining I will continue in the next class. I hope you all understood this class, children. If you have any doubts and queries, you should come to school and ask me. Okay, meet you in the next class. Please be stay at home and be safe at home. Okay, don't roam here and there. Utilize the classes and try to prepare for the test itself. Okay, thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.